Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss the Java program in BlueJ environment. Means how to write Java programs in BlueJ environment, how compile it and how to run the program. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen. Today we will learn how to take input through command line in Java within BlueJ environment. Okay, here I am using BlueJ version 4.1.4. Okay, so friends, this is the BlueJ IDE and already the project is created and the project name is test. Okay, now I just create a new class where we just write the code for to take input through command line. Okay, so let's see how to write that code. So just press on new class and just put the name of the class, for example EXM. Okay, and press OK. Just right click on this EXM class file and just choose open editor. Okay, and whatever the default code provide here, just delete it and just write my own code, class EXM, brace open, and within that we just write public static void main, and here just write string args is a string array as an argument. Okay, and here actually the program what it does, we take three variables a, b and sum, and a and b, these two variable takes input. After that we add these two number and print that number on console. Okay, so just write the variable int a, b and sum. Okay, and now we just write a equal integer dot parse int and just send as argument args and within third bracket 0. Okay, and after just write b equal integer dot parse int and send as argument args within third bracket 1. Okay, and after we just add these two number, just write sum equal a plus b, and after we just print the result of the summation of a and b, just write system dot out dot println and within double quote just write sum equal double quote end plus sum. Means we are just concatenate these two part, one is sum equal and whatever the sum value, and after just put semicolon. Okay, now we just close the main method and after we just close the class exm. Okay, now what happened, there is args 0 and args 1, we are sending these two argument through this string args because this main method take input in command line in form of string. That's why args 0 takes one string and args 1 takes another string, and after that what happened, these two string should be converted into integer because in command line for this public static void main within parentheses string args third bracket open close means it takes strings as its command line argument. Okay, so that's why this two string should be converted into integer because our aim to add two integer number. So that's why we are using a method parseInt which just convert the string into integer and store into the variable a, and a and b both are integer already declared. Okay, and both cases it will do the same, and after a and b will get as integer, it just add, means is just addition, and the result should be stored within the variable sum which is also an integer. Okay, and after we just print the result sum equal and after we use plus sum. So plus sum means we are just concatenate these two part. One is a string and another is a integer. Just concatenate. Okay. So after we just close it. So now we should compile it. So right click on that and just press compile and just see compiling and done. Okay. That means there is no error within that particular exam class file code. Okay. Now we should execute this program. So right click on that and just select void main string args third bracket open close. And now within these braces we send the command line argument in form of string. So as the input is a string is concerned, so we should provide the value within double quote. So just write within double quote, suppose 12 is the first args 0 position, then put comma and then again open another double quote and just write 23 and close it using double quote. So here this 12 is your args 0 position and 23 is your args 1 position. So after convert this 12 the string value into integer within the variable a and 23 same way convert into integer in the variable b and just press OK. So within the console just see the output of the program is sum equal to 35. Why? Whatever the input we have provide 12 and 23, if we add these two number so we get 35 as output. So in that way we can take input through command line in Java within BlueJ environment. I hope you have understood today's problem. Okay.
I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye-bye.